Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to hide the search box in Windows 11. This is a simple process that can help declutter your taskbar and make your desktop look cleaner. Let's begin the steps. First, begin by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, select Personalization. Then, within the Personalization menu, locate and select Taskbar from the list on the left side. Here, you will see a setting labeled Search. Click on the menu next to it, and you will find three options: Hidden, Show Search Icon, and Show Search Box. Finally, choose Hidden to remove the search box from your taskbar. You should immediately see the search box disappear, leaving a cleaner and more minimalist taskbar. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips. Thank you for watching.